Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera pro mode works on your Realme C51. So all you have to do is just open this more tab and go for the pro mode. And right here we can just click on the screen and adjust the focus automatically. When you go from the left side, we can adjust the exposure compensation. Right here we can find shutter speed. In this place we can adjust focus range manually. Right here we can also adjust the ISO level. Here we can find the white balance. In this place we can find the defaults like the saturation or the contrast. This one looks really good actually. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.